Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Grand City Hotel. My name is Emma from the Reservations department. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, Emma. My name is David. I am calling because I have a reservation at your hotel for a few weeks from now, and I would just like to confirm all the details to make sure everything is correct.
Of course, Mr. David. That is a very good idea. It is always best to double-check everything before you travel. I would be very happy to help you with that.
Thank you. I booked it online a few months ago, and I just want to have peace of mind that my booking is secure and everything is in order.
I completely understand. To find your booking in our system, could you please provide me with either your last name or your reservation confirmation number?
I have the confirmation number right here in front of me in the email. I think that is probably the easiest way to find it.
Yes, the confirmation number is the fastest and most accurate way. Whenever you are ready, please.
The number is 8675309.
Okay, thank you. I am just entering that into our system now. 8675309. Please give me one moment while it loads.
No problem at all. I will wait.
Perfect. I have your reservation right here in front of me. To ensure I am speaking to the correct person, I am just going to confirm a few of the details with you. Is that okay?
Yes, please do. That is exactly why I am calling.
Excellent. I have a reservation under the name David, and the last name is spelled S-M-I-T-H. Is that correct?
Yes, that is me, David Smith.
Wonderful. And the reservation is for a 3-night stay. The check-in date is Friday, the 26th of September, and the check-out date is Monday, the 29th of September. Does that sound right to you?
Yes, those dates are correct. A 3-night weekend stay.
Okay. And the booking is for 2 adults. Is that correct, Mr. Smith?
Yes, it is for myself and my wife.
Perfect. The room type you have booked is one of our deluxe queen rooms with a city view.
A deluxe queen with a city view. Yes, I remember choosing that option. I am hoping the view is as good as it looks in the pictures on your website.
Our city view rooms are on the higher floors, and the views are indeed spectacular, especially at night when all the city lights are on. I am sure you will not be disappointed.
That is great to hear. Well, thank you for confirming all those details. It is a relief to know that everything is correct in your system.
It is my pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. The main reason I wanted to call, besides just confirming, was to add a special request to my booking, if that is possible.
Of course, sir. We are always happy to add special requests to our guests' reservations. What would you like to request?
Well, this trip is for a very special occasion. It is my wife's and my 10th wedding anniversary. The trip is a surprise for her, and I want to make it as romantic and memorable as possible.
A 10th wedding anniversary. That is a wonderful milestone. Congratulations to you both. I am sure your wife will be absolutely delighted with the surprise.
Thank you. I hope so. So, my request is related to our anniversary. I was wondering if it would be possible to arrange for something special to be in the room when we arrive.
That is a lovely idea. We can certainly help you with that. Many of our guests celebrate special occasions with us. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking of something simple but romantic. Maybe a nice bouquet of flowers, or perhaps a chilled bottle of champagne, to be waiting in the room for us when we check in.
A bottle of champagne is a very classic and popular choice for an anniversary celebration. We can definitely arrange that for you. We work with a wonderful local florist, so we can also arrange a beautiful bouquet of flowers.
That is fantastic. Do you have a package that includes both of those things?
We do. We have a romance package that is very popular for anniversaries and special occasions.
A romance package. That sounds perfect. What does it include?
The package includes a chilled bottle of French champagne, a box of luxury handmade chocolates from a local chocolatier, and a beautiful bouquet of fresh red roses, all placed in your room before you arrive. We can also add a small personalized card if you would like to write a message to your wife.
Champagne, chocolates, and red roses. That is absolutely perfect. It is exactly what I was hoping for. My wife will be so surprised and so happy. I would definitely like to add that package to my reservation.
An excellent choice, Mr. Smith. I am sure it will be a wonderful start to your anniversary weekend. I will add the romance package to your booking for you now.
Thank you so much. What is the extra cost for that package?
The total price for the romance package is $75. I can add this charge to your final hotel bill, which you will pay upon checkout. Or, if you prefer, you can pay for it now over the phone.
Let's add it to the final bill. That is easier. I have already provided my credit card details to guarantee the booking, so you can just use that card for the final payment, correct?
Yes, that is correct. The card on file is only for guarantee at the moment. The full payment will be taken when you check out. I have now added the package to your reservation and also a special note to our housekeeping and front desk team to let them know you are celebrating a very special occasion with us.
That is wonderful. Thank you for being so helpful. While I have you on the phone, could I ask one more general question?
Please, ask as many questions as you like.
It is about getting to the hotel from the airport. What is the best and easiest way to do that? We will be arriving with our luggage, so we are looking for a convenient option.
There are three main options for you. The most convenient, but also the most expensive option, is to take an official city taxi directly from the taxi rank outside the arrivals hall. The journey to our hotel takes about 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
A taxi is very convenient. What about the other options?
There is also a dedicated airport shuttle bus service. The bus stop is right outside the terminal. It is much cheaper than a taxi, and it stops at several major hotels in the city center, including ours. The only downside is that it makes several stops, so the journey can take a little longer.
The shuttle bus sounds like a good value option. And what is the third option?
The third option is to take the subway or the metro. There is a station directly connected to the airport. It is the cheapest option, but it can be a little difficult with a lot of luggage, as the trains can be very crowded during peak hours.
Thank you. That is a very clear explanation of the three choices. I think the airport shuttle bus sounds like the best balance of cost and convenience for us. I really appreciate the information.
You are most welcome. So let me just confirm everything with you one last time, Mr. Smith. Your booking for 3 nights from September 26th is confirmed. You have a deluxe queen room with a city view. I have added our romance package to be delivered to your room on your arrival day. And you have all the information you need about airport transfers.
That is everything. It is all perfect. Thank you so much for your time and your excellent service, Emma. You've made me feel very confident and excited about our upcoming trip.
It has been my absolute pleasure, Mr. Smith. We are very much looking forward to welcoming you and your wife to the Grand City Hotel, and we will do our best to make your 10th anniversary celebration a very special one.